The fact that I'm a hairdresser myself and I can't style my own hair is super depressing.
Hi, I'm 𝘠𝗏𝘠𝘬𝘮𝑒𝘠 and I'm the medical director here at Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration in the San Francisco Bay Area. Those who know me well also know me by Dr. G. Today we have a special privilege and honor. We're going to be performing a procedure on a friend of mine that I've known for a long time. Sergio is a stylist in the San Francisco area that's incredibly well known for his great skill for hairstyling. But what makes this whole situation unique is that Sergio is also going through hair loss himself. And while he's very skilled over the years at helping other clients of his help to pick hairstyles that maybe help camouflage some of the hair loss they're going through, he also understands now at a very personal level that there's a point at which no amount of styling can cover a certain degree of hair loss. For Sergio today, we're going to talk about the best ways to approach a hair restoration procedure for him and his goals, and the way we're going to get him a very natural, long-lasting result.
Hi, my name's Sergio 𝘠𝘐𝑚, and I'm actually a hairdresser myself, a co-owner of a salon called 𝘠𝗏𝘀𝘠 Salon. I'm getting a hair restoration done that I'm super excited about. So, interesting story enough, the way I found Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration was I worked with Dr. G in the past to get actually restoration done on my own hair. And I was, kept in contact with him, and I was definitely interested in getting another procedure because I was basically starting from scratch. Dr. G, created a hairline for me and gave me, a nice sort of frame to start with, but now I'm at that point where I want a little more hair. And so we talked about collaborating once again and doing another procedure for me. And I'm actually working with a lot of his previous clients and been styling their hair for them along the way and seeing their journey come along. And it's just getting me motivated to dip in there and get another one done. So I'm totally excited to get this second procedure done and see what I can do with my hair. The fact that I'm gonna have my own hair to style is so exciting to me, and I just cannot wait.
Sergio's been incredibly happy with the hairline that we were able to create in his first surgery. So the goal now is not about lowering the hairline or recreating a framing here, because that frame's actually already in place. The major concern is thickness and density. And that's a typical scenario for a patient's second or third procedure. Because what we've always done, our goals are the first surgery should really make the foundation strong, which means the borders, the hairline, the whole frame of the face is set, and that should be done right the first time. And then now we're going to go in between those hairs that have grown in and are healthy and strong and permanent. We're going to go in between them to add more density back. So whatever existing hairs that were there the first time around, that's where we didn't plant hairs, because we thought, we were hoping those would last. But over time, a lot of patients, male patients, will lose their existing hairs, their native hairs. And now we have to go back and do a transplant procedure to help that condition. So same thing, we're gonna, just like Sergio did the first time, we have to shaved his head to get a good view of things. And that's what we're gonna do this time, is as we shave the head, we'll see where his existing grafts from his first transplant were and place right in between them with a very even, strategic design to give a natural appearing thickness that's really even and gives him overall good coverage of the scalp.
Okay, so I'm more than midway through the procedure, and honestly I slept through the whole entire thing, and the amount of progress that they've done to this point is pretty remarkable. And right now I feel totally relaxed, and I'm enjoying a lunch, and it's just been a breezy day so far, so looking forward to finishing up, and I'm sure the rest of it's going to be just as breezy.
It is a very special situation when a hair transplant surgeon gets to work with another hair expert, and he is incredibly talented. So it's really fun to work with somebody and plan that out when they already have such a knack for it.
Dr. G is literally one of the most amazing personalities for a doctor. He makes you feel right at home immediately. He's so personable, and just make sure that you have an incredible experience. And I think that really lacks sometimes in the medical industry, is that personable feeling, and being comfortable is so big. He just has that warmth and makes you feel right at home. Dr. G genuinely cares about your vision, and he's gonna really try his best to achieve the vision that you're going for your own hair. And you know, most guys probably in this industry will try to just put hair on your head to make you happy, but Dr. G is actually gonna try to make that vision a reality for you.